Hello and welcome to Beyond the Dashboard, your guide to understanding the world of key performance indicators. I'm your host, Steve Taylor, and each episode will be demystifying a new KPI, diving deep into its significance, debunking myths, and offering actionable steps for improvement. Whether you're leading a small or large MSP, or maybe just a brilliant technician looking to level up your business management skills, this is the place for you. So sit back, tune in, and get ready to go beyond the surface, beyond the complexity, and truly understand what lies beyond the dashboard.
Context switching, less multitasking. So that's a key one to improve throughput is reduce the work in progress in that system. Whether it's a help desk, a project team, a sales team, is get it through, get it out. That's a key one, work in progress. The lead time refers to how long it takes from the time a request is made to the time it's complete. So if you look at a car, how often from the time, let's say if you're doing a custom order on a car, you've gone to the Tesla website, submitted your order, how long until you've got that car on your doorstep? So if you look at where the customer submitted, emailed support@yourmsp.com, how long until it's done? Or from the time they signed a quote on a 365 migration, how long until it's done? Like QA's done, no bugs, documented, they're happy. How long is that? So if you can tighten that up, obviously that's going to improve your throughput. And then the third metric supporting throughput is flow efficiency. That's the ratio of time a task is taking between or is actively being worked on to the total time it spends in the system. This is a fascinating one. When you visualize it the right way or you see an example, it kind of blows your mind. It's like, okay, so I got these tickets that are taking a week to get done, but actually the technicians are only putting a half an hour on it. So why is it waiting a week or 2 weeks? A lot of tickets spent forever just waiting. A lot of projects waiting for people to have time or some approval from the client or some little bit of information that most likely we already have. So I mentioned that with the car in the factory is when Tesla is pumping out these cars, they don't want that sitting there at all. It's moving, it's continually moving down the line and people are moving around it as these cars come by. The people don't move, the work moves. And more and more being done on it. Multiple people working on it at the same time. The car is never waiting for somebody.
Awesome. I really like that. I can't wait to dig into these other metrics with you in future episodes.
Likewise.
Thank you, Wim.
My pleasure.
We've all been there. The phone rings, your largest client is on the line, totally panicked. Their CEO spilled coffee all over her laptop and it's completely dead. Everything she needed for her investor presentation tomorrow was on that laptop. There's nothing more heart-stopping than losing business-critical data. Whether you get hit with ransomware, hardware failure, or human error, data loss can be a business-ending event. Backups are your final stand when a threat penetrates your layers of defense. That's where Comet Backup comes in. Comet is a secure, reliable backup solution designed specifically for MSPs. Protect computers, servers, virtual environments, emails, and databases. You choose where the data is stored. Backup to local on-prem storage or any of the leading cloud providers to slash your storage costs. Comet grows with your business with scalable per-device pricing. Test drive Comet Backup with a 30-day free trial. Get $50 free credit when you sign up with the promo code RocketMSP. Start running backups in 15 minutes or less at cometbackup.com. Comet Backup, the backup solution that MSPs trust.